What's up, fellows? I am Srab from Techy Pizza, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make an amazing 3D intro for your YouTube channels. So let's spread technology. We will make an amazing 3D intro like this one. First of all, go to your desired browser. I am using Google Chrome to make this intro. So the next step is to write this. Make the so it's pinzoid.com. Open it. After coming to this page, click on Clip Maker. We will make a 2D or 3D intro. We can also make a 2D outro also. So click on this Clip Maker. Now after coming to this page, we have to select a template first from here. If you want more templates, scroll down, press more creations. After scrolling down and pressing more creation, you will come to this page. This page have more templates. See. So for this, to make template intro, we will take this Insane Blue Intro 28 3D. It will be 3D intro. Press this. Now click on Open in Clip Maker. You can select any template. It is loading. So after it's loaded, press on this eye icon. After pressing this, it will show you the preview of the render. Now you can see it is the example only first. It was only a example. It's not edited yet, but I will show you how to edit it. So like you can see, it shows test. So we don't want test, we need our YouTube channel's name. So to do that, go to objects, this cube icon. Now go to the bottom of this bar. Now change all this text to your channel name. I will do Techy Pizza. Techy Pizza. Oops. We also have to press enter. I'm sorry. After doing this, just now from the starting you can see this. As you seen, the text has been changed to Techy Pizza. That's our channel name. So you can change the template also. Now see, this is the outro. See, outro. Leave site. See, here will be our previous video, our selected video. Here will be our channel. So like this is the template. I will show you another example. Loading objects, down, scroll down, template. Here's template return. Oh, okay, got it. So write your channel's name. Oops. Now do press the eye icon. Now play. Yeah. See, this was the intro. So first to download it, go to this download. Press this. Now press start video render. It will. So this because I don't want it. So after doing this, there will be option of download. So pressing that option will download this 3D intro in your PC or laptop, anything you have. So you can use it as a trailer in your YouTube channel. So this was all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share it to your friends and the family. Thank you guys.